With this 200, do you see what we all see in terms of that world record?
I see it, but I don't want to put myself under that pressure. Oh, thank you. I don't want to put myself under that pressure of trying to break the world record, but if it comes, it will come eventually. We don't have to push it this year, we don't have to push it next year. Probably when we are 24, that's when we could attempt something like that. But I don't think it will take long, looking at what I did today and what I did in the 200-meter final. I don't think it will take that long because I could see it. It's about 10 meters away from me, but we'll see what we could do about it.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel once again. My name is its_Kisaka. So pleased to have you back on this channel. If you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And greetings to all my Jamaican family members and all the members from the Caribbean. So today I want to talk about one of our African brothers known as LETSILE TEBOGO. LETSILE TEBOGO is a short distance runner and he has been doing so well. Recently, one of the coaches of, or rather former coach of USAIN Bolt and other renowned athletes commented about him. And there's this video that I want to play, and then I get back and react. On the Botswana LETSILE TEBOGO.
Well, I expected him to win the 200. As a matter of fact, I expected him to win from last year. But you don't run those kind of 300 meters world record and thing and don't win 200. He's much, as a matter of fact, he represents the biggest threat to Bolt record.
And not Lyles.
You mean the 200-meter record?
The 200, yes. Because of his speed endurance capacity. He doesn't have the speed of Bolt, but he certainly has a good speed endurance capacity. So if you notice, he was in the last part of the race, he was actually going away and things. So that's where Lyle is strong, and he's strong. He's just as strong. Matter of fact, he lost his mother, and that set him back in his preparation when he was breaking all these records. So.
Take me out of that world record conversation because I don't want that pressure to put myself in. So let Lyles speak about the world record, and everybody who wants to speak about it. I'm not part of that team.
So guys, there you have heard it from Glenn Mills, one of the best coaches in Jamaica. He has just said that LETSILE TEBOGO is likely the guy to break the 200 meters record currently being held by USAIN Bolt. One of the reasons that he gives out is that he tends to think that LETSILE TEBOGO has speed endurance capacity. That is, as he runs, you can see that they are running at the same pace, but once he gets near the finishing line, he tends to add more speed. That is also the way Noah Lyles run, and he's saying that the way he sees him is likely to break USAIN Bolt record. When the people from the different media stations try to ask LETSILE TEBOGO, he doesn't want to get into that kind of shenanigans to talking about world record. He says that he doesn't want to get into any pressure, as he just wants to run each race one at a time, one at a go. Also, one of the things that Coach Glenn Mills has said is that he's also mental ability, or rather mental toughness is one of that is good one, because LETSILE TEBOGO lost his mother in the course of this year, that is in 2024, and that has not put him down. He has still been working hard, and we have just seen what he has done. He ran a time of 19.46, defeating Noah Lyles and Kenny Benerick and the rest. Currently, he's competing in Diamond Leagues, and he's doing quite good. In one of the first in the meeting that took place in Lucerne Diamond League, he ran a time of 19.64, and in Silesia he ran a time of 19.83, still leading. I understand in the Diamond League they are running for formula for money. By meeting a record, you are getting something, breaking a world record, and also turning out to be number one because the points are being awarded in each meetings. And then the final of the Wonder Diamond League will be held in Belgium in Brussels. That is around 14th to 15th of September. So this guy is currently in all the fastest times in Africa. He's the one currently holding top 3 fastest times in 200 meters in Africa. That is the fastest time that he broke a record, and this is the only gold that has come to Africa from the Olympics. He got a time of 19.46, and the second time that he holds, that is top 3 times in 200 meters in Africa. The second one is 19.50, and the third one is 19.64. The 19.64 is the one that he ran just the other day in Lausanne. So he's promising, and all along the way he has been going, it has been improvement after improvement, improvement after improvement, which shows that his future is promising. And there are some people also who wonder why, because if you keenly look, you'll discover that most of Africans are the ones who participate in long distance races. Some who are trying to ask themselves because of the speed endurance. You'll find that nations like Jamaica don't get to participate in long distance running. I'll also attribute this to the altitude. You know, the places that are higher tend to be to have a lot of oxygen concentration. That is why an area like the way I'm recording this video from in Kenya, there's a place that is near around. There's a place known as Eldoret and Iten. That way is where most of these long distance athletes tend to train. Even some from abroad come over so that they can get used to their body to such kind of weather, so that their oxygen concentration level can hike up and can go up. So all the best to LETSILE TEBOGO. So on 30th, that is when Wonder Diamond will be happening in Rome, Italy. And I think he is also going to take part in the 100 meters. It is going to be competitive. Currently, Noah Lyles dropped, is no longer, like this season, the whole of this year, is not competing again. He was talking of having COVID-19, but I don't know, because he was seen in a club having the best time of his life just after saying that he had COVID-19. So, but the list of the sprinters that has been placed is formidable. Also, one guy from Jamaica who is likely not to participate is Oblique Seville, but Akim Blake is around, and he's doing quite a good. He's putting quite a good fight, a good run, even though he has not won any. Also, our Kenyan brother Ferdinand Omanyala, in the meeting that took place in 25th in Silesia, he got position 2. Fred Curley was the one ahead of him, and he followed behind. I think he's gonna get something out of this. One good thing about this Diamond League is that it involves money. The amount of monetary value from Wonder Diamond League is greatly as compared to the one in Olympics. In some countries they don't even honor the people who participate in Olympics as compared to the others. But in Wonder Diamond, when you participate, you are sure of going home with something as long as you do in your best. So LETSILE TEBOGO, currently at 21 years, you can see his future is very bright. Him personally is talking of breaking the records when he's at an age of around 24 years. But I think he should just stick to that and let not money get into his head, and he starts to be proud of himself and so forth. He should just humble and continue training hard. When during his home welcoming, he was awarded a lot of goodies. Just to list a few, the country Botswana gave gave out half a national day just because of him and his compatriots. He was also gifted 2 houses worth $300,000 US dollars. Also, Choppy's Supermarket gifted Tebogo with $112,482, while the team of Botswana received $183,721 US dollars. Other company gives, e.g., De Botswana, De Beers, DTCB, each athlete bagging $4,500 US dollars. This is just a few. We have Orange Internet provider gave them $52,491 US dollars. The Botswana Defense Force gave them $43,118. The Ministry of Youth and Sports gave them $149,976 US dollars. Green and also other oil companies. It was even gifted around 23 pregnant kettles and other donations from the head of state, the vice president, and the MPs. So where he is at the moment is he's a rich man. He should just keep on working on his skill and let not pride get into his head. You know, when they say that there's one thing when a person is broke and when one is rich. So it is my prayer that that one doesn't get into his head and then he stops to keep on practicing. So we are just waiting here to see what will be the outcome of the Rome meet, Wonder Diamond Rome meet, where he'll be participating in 100 meters. And also we are eagerly waiting for one of the promising 100-meter sprinters, that is Kishen Thompson. We are waiting to see in Rome, Italy. It will be on 30th this month, and the finals will be on 14th to 15th, because the finals is 2 days, but no, the final is 1 day, and these other meetings are just one. So Wonder Diamond League, to those who don't know, is it happens around 14 times, or rather, the meetings takes place 14 times, and in each run, one is awarded points. With the final run, the points is doubled. So cheers, guys. This has been the video for today. I'm so happy for our African brothers when they perform and do well, and I'm so happy too when I get to see my Jamaican friends and crew doing well too. This is the video for today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. Remember to like this video and also share it out. This is all that I have for you today. Thank you so much. May God bless you always. Cheers.